In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move pages in Word. When you're working on a long document, like a report, an essay, or a manual, you'll often realize that some sections would make more sense in a different order. Maybe the conclusion should come earlier, or a chapter needs to be moved before another. In Microsoft Word, you don't technically move pages as individual units, because pages are created automatically based on how much content you have. Instead, you move the content on those pages. That's what we'll focus on in this walkthrough. First, open your document in Word. The easiest way to rearrange large sections is by using the Navigation pane. Go to the View tab at the top of the window, and then look for the option called Navigation Pane. Click that, and a panel will appear on the left side of your screen. In that panel, make sure you're on the Headings tab. For this to work well, your document should use Word's built-in heading styles, like Heading 1, Heading 2, and so on, for your titles and section headings. If you don't see your sections listed here, click into a heading in your document. Go to the Home tab and apply a heading style from the Styles group. Once you do that, the heading will show up in the Navigation pane. Now, to move a page, you really move the section that starts at that heading. In the Navigation pane, click on the heading for the section you want to move. Hold down your mouse button and drag it up or down in the list. As you drag, you'll see a line indicating where it will land. Release the mouse when it's in the right spot. Word will automatically move that entire section, including all the paragraphs, images, and any other content under that heading. This effectively changes the order of your pages. If your document doesn't use headings, you can still move content manually. Scroll to the start of the part you want to move, click and drag to highlight everything you want to relocate, then right-click and choose Cut, or use the keyboard shortcut. Place your cursor where you want that content to go, right-click, and choose Paste. It's a good idea to zoom out or switch to Print Layout View so you can better see how the pages flow after you've moved things. Finally, once you've rearranged your sections, scroll through the document to double-check that everything is in the right order, that headings are still consistent, and that page breaks and spacing look the way you expect. And that's how you move pages in Word, by rearranging your document's content efficiently and safely.